The first one falls. He hits both from the stripe.
100% free throw shooting this half, guys.
Efficiency is so crucial when you're trying to overcome a deficit, Steve.
They set the pick. Number 15 hands it from downtown.
I'm not sure who was supposed to pick him up, but somebody's going to get an earful from the coach for leaving him that wide open.
And now Doris Burke has an update from the sideline.
Hi, guys. I got a chance to hear what the home team head coach was saying to his players. He told them that they simply have to step up, saying if we don't make a move now, it's going to be too late. Give them everything you got.
Pass to Black. A target with the open look.
It's been a real difficult game for him offensively, and it's costly.
Number 32. And they push in right away with a quick shot.
They only made 35% of their shots in the first half. But they found the range here. Again, shooting percentage, a function of the kinds of shots you get. Much better shots, a better shooting percentage.
Number 22. Off target. That was a little heat check. Here's the screen. Makes the lead pass. Flat. No good off the back of the rim.
Man, I'll tell you what, this has been one ugly quarter for him.
And it keeps getting uglier. I mean, his touch has basically gone AWOL.
Number 45. Number 32. And a foul on the shot. He'll go to the stripe for two.
And no question, he got bumped on that shot.
Definitely no room for discussion on that.
He misses the free throw. He's off on the second. Number 6. Drills it from outside.
Boy, I tell you what, he loves getting looks like that from the three-point line. No one near him. That's a warm-up jumper for him.
Shot clock at 6. The finger roll finish at the bucket.
Great move to the hoop, and I love the finger roll finish.
Guys, their comeback bid had better get started.
I think there's still enough time for him here, Kevin. I think there's a good chance they can make it happen.
I don't know. I mean, it's going to take a pretty big run. They're going to have to be almost perfect to get this one done.
They're taking it inside and taking advantage of each opportunity, Clark, to chip away at the deficit.
Yeah, and doing it with the dunk is a major energizer, too. Gets the momentum going.
Yeah, and I think the interior defense, as good a job offensively as we saw, the defensive presence was almost non-existent. And they may see this lead disappear if they continue to give up those easy points.
Number 8. And no one able to grab it as it goes out of bounds.
Number 12.
And the pass to Bates. Number 6. A three-pointer is right on target. Number 6. getting it done tonight. Efficiently here from the floor. 6 of 10 so far. Lock at 6. Number 12. And he hits the jump shot. Gone a perfect 3 for 3 so far. Elbow shot. And it's blocked. Number 16. Off the mark there with the three-point shot.
Well, I guess they can get them when they need them. That's a good job of getting to the miss.
Here's Bates. Here's Hodge. Second shot opportunity. Shot denied. Number 6. Lays it up and banks it in.
He's been much more effective in the second half than he was in the first.
Got pretty good numbers from the floor so far. Shooting 6 of 13. You know, Clark, they've been out-rebounded by a big margin here tonight.
Yeah, but still it's a close game, Kevin. It all comes down to maybe just a handful of plays here.
And there's the turnover. Pass going out of bounds.
Boy, did they ever make a mess out of that one. A terrible turnover.
Knocked away. And even 3-on-3 break. Blocked. And that one ends up out of bounds. And they'll keep possession. 1:51 left in the fourth quarter of this one.
You know, this half hasn't been as successful for him as the first. He's having difficulty getting it to fall.
To the paint, number 16. Off with the layup.
Usually if he gets to the rim, he's converting it into points. But the defense stood tall there.
Passes it to Bates. Trying his luck deep.
Come on!
1:07 left in the fourth quarter. Trying to get back on track. And that's good off the glass that time. .102 left in the fourth quarter. Lets the three fly. The shot is off.
Seems like he's gotten every single rebound today.
Glass eating at its finest. I mean, you're not going to see a guy with 20-plus boards too often. That's an impressive number. That is his shot, guys. So you can't just give it to him. You've got to get up on him and get into his airspace there.
There's 31 seconds left here in the fourth quarter. Six to shoot. Off target from the wing. Guys, no real chance for them to come back now.
Nope, this one is sealed and delivered.
Yeah, you just want to forget about this one, move on to the next game, and you got to try to get better in practice.
11 seconds left in the fourth quarter. And so it's a victory for the road team in this one. Not much to be critical of with this win, Clark.
Not at all. I mean, they showed up not just to play, they showed up to give great effort and to win, and they did both.
And now for Clark, Kellogg, Steve Kerr, and Doris.
Gagawin ang dapat kong gawin. Alam ko na magagawa ko rin. Parang araw maging icon. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Idol.